How to delete multiple rows all at once in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to delete all the rows at once in Excel in just few simple steps. So let's dive right in. Open up your Excel worksheet and then go to one of the cells where you want to delete, where you want to start deleting. So want to start deleting from the eighth cell. So I'll just double tap on it. I'll tap double tap on the uh, A8 cell and then just drag it and select the areas that I want to delete. And then uh, right click on my mouse and there I'll find delete option, tap on it, and there you go. All the cells have been deleted at once. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.